Welcome to Homeplace. We are happy to help with the smartest buying guide for home and kitchen products. In this video, we are going to clear all your doubts about the best induction cooktops in India. So, stay tuned with us. When you are planning to buy an induction cooktop, several problems can trouble your mind. But do not worry, we have got solution to every problem. The very common doubt about an induction cooker is that which brand should you choose? Hundreds of companies manufacture induction cooktops in present days, out of which the most reputed brands are Prestige, Philips, Bajaj and Usha. In this video, we have researched and selected the best 3 brands and reviewed them. Watch this video till the end to get all your doubts cleared. The next thing that you may be thinking is the wattage of the cooktop. Induction cooktop wattage can be 1000 watts to even 5000 watts. But which one should you prefer? Higher wattage or lower wattage model? It is evident that higher wattage involves more electricity consumption per unit time, but it also significantly reduces the cooking duration. As power consumption depends upon both the wattage and cooking time, the overall electricity cost almost remains the same. So, we can advise to go for the higher wattage model from 1000 watts to 3000 watts for home use. The third most important thing is how easy can it be to operate the induction cooktop. Ease of use depends on several factors like availability of the temperature control buttons, preset menus, a good length of cable, user-friendly buttons and more. You should select a model that has at least 1.2 meter long cable and the plug point should be near the cooktop. You have to ensure that there is no tension in the cable to avoid unwanted electrical hazards. The top 3 induction cooktops we have listed here come with convenient buttons that are easy to operate. All the induction stoves should be operated in a wide range of temperature settings. Larger the range is, more the options you will get from it from cooking different kind of foods. Induction cooktops come with a bunch of preset cooking menus including pressure cook, stir fry, gravy and more. Some brands provide Indian cooking menus like roti, dosa, deep fry, which are extremely useful. Besides, portability should be an added factor to handle the cooktop easily. Lightweight of the cooktop ensures better ease of use. Most of the induction cookers come with the LED display to monitor the wattage and time settings. It is an added advantage to the users. Cleaning and maintenance is the key to improve life of any appliances. An induction cooktop is no different. All the induction cooktops are easier to clean and maintain as these are smaller in size than gas stoves. Apart from the points I have mentioned, build quality of the cooker is also very important, and the top 3 products we are going to review have the highest quality. Some of the features that are quite useful are preset timer setting, automated power off feature. Considering all these advantages, we have selected 3 products that are highest performers, have great design and durability, and loaded with various automated features. Now, check out the cooktops. Our third pick is from the Indian giant Bajaj. This Bajaj Majesty ICX7 is a 1900 watts model with 8 different preset cooking menus. This highly durable product comes with a 1-year warranty with proper customer support. Some advanced features of this model include auto shut off, power switch and delay start that are extremely good for regular cooking. Besides, the product is also safe to operate and you should not worry about it. We have selected the second product from Prestige. This PIC 16.0 Plus model also draws a power of 1900 watts. The special thing about the product is you can select a cooking setting from 8 preset menus for Indian style foods. Like the Bajaj Majesty ICX7, it also comes with a 1-year warranty. Customer service of Prestige is also good, so keep your headache away. There are some advanced features like pause function, preset timer that can be very handy while you operate. Finally, the first product is from Philips. This Philips Viva Collection HD4928/01 model is very powerful with rated wattage of 2100 watts. Philips provides 1-year warranty with this product and covers it with their amazing customer service. You can get 6 Indian style preset cooking menus with this product. Apart from this, some advanced options like auto shutoff feature and preset timer settings are great to have with this model. Now you may be thinking about which one to buy from these 3 products. To get the answer, check out the comparison graph. On the basis of wattage, Philips Viva Collection is better than the other 2 products, but it lacks in the number of preset menus. On the other hand, the Bajaj Majesty ICX7 does not have typical Indian menus like the other products we have listed, but durability is quite good for all these 3 brands. Besides, in terms of advanced features, Philips Viva Collection looks more attractive. So, considering all these typical advantages and disadvantages, we find that Philips Viva Collection induction cooktop is the best in India. In the description of the video, we have added direct links to these products for your convenience. If you like this video, do not forget to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish a video that is valuable for you.